Sleep apnea and weight gain. What's the real connection? Discover how these two health issues feed each other, and what you can do to break the cycle. What is obstructive sleep apnea, OSA? OSA causes repeated breathing pauses during sleep due to airway blockage. Over 39 million adults are affected, many undiagnosed. Excess weight, especially around the neck, increases airway pressure and risk. Can sleep apnea cause weight gain? Hormonal disruption. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones while decreasing fullness signals. Reduced activity. Fatigue from OSA lowers energy levels and physical movement. Metabolic changes. Insulin resistance promotes fat storage. How excess weight worsens sleep apnea. Narrowed airways. Fat deposits constrict upper airway passages. Compressed chest. Larger waist reduces lung volume. Risk multiplier. 10% weight gain equals 6x OSA risk. Breaking the cycle. Treatment and lifestyle. CPAP therapy. Improves sleep quality, energy, and hormone balance. Weight loss. 10 to 15% reduction can decrease OSA severity by up to 50%. BiPAP doctor clinic support. At-home sleep tests, mask fittings, and ongoing guidance. Ready for better sleep and health? Don't let sleep apnea and weight gain control your life. Contact BiPAP doctor clinic, trusted home healthcare provider. Start your path to restful nights today at bipapdoctor.com. Tag someone who needs better sleep. Z's.